Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about this amazing Telesin 6-inch dome for your GoPro 3, 3 Plus and 4 model only in this unboxing video. I want to let you know that I was not paid to do this video. With my girlfriend we are planning a trip to Thailand in March and we wanted to do some epic water shots. So with the effect of in and out water scene. So we bought this Telesin 6-inch dome on AliExpress for about 35 euros, which is about 40 US. And within less than 2 weeks, here it is, fast delivery, China to France. So let's see what comes in the box. As you can see, we choose the color as orange, marked over here. Here what's come in the box, in the package. Over here are the features. Up to 30 meters underwater, 100 feet. Compatible only for the Euro 4, Euro 3 and 3 Plus. You do get the Euro 5 and Euro 6, but these are different housing, the different domes. But they are available if you have the latest GoPro. Let's see what's inside. Just a little manual, it's in English. Some promotion about Telesin products. Nice smooth cloth. Oh yes, this one should be the cover. Some of the boxes do not include a cover, but I found one with one. So just pull over here and you will be able to protect your lens, the dome actually. Nice and smooth. Here comes the dome. So it looks like it's already screwed in and well sealed. I had the screwdriver beside me in case I had to do it, but it's already done by manufacturer. So I think we need to pull over here and it pop up. All right. So this is for the dome. I'll put it here for a minute. It looks like it's solid, firm, and good quality plastic. This is the hand grip. Floating handle grip actually. It has a secret pocket, so you can put some money maybe, or keys or coins and stuff like that. When you're traveling, can be a good things to have it on you instead of leaving it on a beach. And it has a seal here. For tripod. And then the regular GoPro stuff. It's actually long. Let's see about the comparison with mine, which is the GoPro unfloating that I have over here. To give you an idea. It's a bit longer, but and thicker actually. It has a little material on it that prevents from slippery, but the GoPro one kind of seems to be a better material, and this one you will be able to put it in your mouth when you're swimming as well. This one is big, tough, and your teeth will maybe get damaged with this material, unless this one kind of soft and nice and smaller actually. Alright, so let's see what else. There is another screw for the pistol, I guess. So there is two. There is a GoPro key. Well, GoPro actually to tighten up this screw. If you don't have a screwdriver, that's good. And then a little bracelet to secure. It has something on it, so you can adjust and close it. You can see it's kind of solid and firm. It's good. Telesin. Then these should be to prevent for your dome to get foggy. Here. Nothing else in the box, so let's move on this to the side. Alright, let's fix up the GoPro into the dome. I have the GoPro 4 in my case, but this is good for 3 and 3 Plus as well. So you can just adjust it. You can pull this. Simply as that. Hello. All right, let's see how the trigger, the pistol trigger works. All right, so let's start with this part here. We are going to maybe use a flash so you can see better. Step this part first. Adjust it here. It's a bit tough, but seems to be good quality. Screw it on properly. Here comes the other side. All right, let's keep it that way for now. And then now we're going to use this part over here. Okay. You can still move this, and it won't be able to go further down since there is something blocking over here. So there is space for the pistol trigger over here. So here it is. I guess we can use this. We'll be able to try it after. So let's see if I press this one. The GoPro is turning on properly, and as I use the one button, it's actually start recording as well. So you will be able to see my GoPro case on this here, my tools, up. So here what it looks like from that side, and myself. You can use the trigger to turn it on again, turn it off, sorry. Now it is off. As you can see, the screen turned off and got black. Let's see if we can use this GoPro floating handle. Actually, I think we can use it, but you will have to tighten it up and leave it a bit far away so you have space for the finger trigger, because this one goes actually all the way to the trigger. So the orange one will be better to use, but as I said, you can use this one as well if you leave it a bit far and leave some space here. You can adjust things here as a light if you go in underwater, or a phone like a mountain, so you can film things with the trigger, and your GoPro without dome. Actually a nice little thing. Let me show you what it looks like. I haven't done any waterproof picture with it as yet. I have selected few pictures for you on the internet, on Google, using Telesin 6-inch dome as the research. So this looks like it. The guy is taking the picture from under the water, but the dome is in and out, and we can see the girl on top. Same as here. Here again, turtle, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, that you learned a few stuff, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. Until next time, be safe, take some epic shots with dome, GoPro, 360 cam or drones. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you can use RenX product to avoid water drops on the dome. You can get that online, it's really cheap, and you just put some on the dome, and water drops won't stay actually on the plastic, and you will get some really nice shots. See you guys.